Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So Acekool has sent us this product for us to review. It's a baby bottle warmer. So today I'm going to unbox it and then we're going to try it out with different methods that they offer in terms of heating up bottles. Now with the 4-inch large opening, this bottle warmer can fit just about any type of bottle there is. Now obviously with Dr. Brown, the skinny bottle, it will fit. Now with the Komotomo, this is the widest one, fits perfectly as well. First test I'm going to do is to heat up 4 ounces of cold milk from the fridge using the fast warming process. Now I have a heat gun, and according to a heat gun, this milk is at around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. According to the instruction, you need to add 40 ml of distilled water in this machine for a bottle of 4 ounces cold milk, which is at around 41 degrees Fahrenheit. You're supposed to heat up to 4.5 minutes. Now that's what according to the instruction. So this is actually my second time of testing the fast warming process. First time I did that, following the instruction and doing the 4.5 minutes, bottle actually came out to be way too hot at well over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This time I'm going to do is to lower the minutes to 3.5 minutes for this 4 ounce cold milk. I have a heat gun, so it's easy for me to see what the results is going to be. But however, you might not. So the way that you're going to determine whether or not the milk is going to come out hot enough is to first do what I do and start low. If it's 4 ounce cold milk, just try to do 3.5 minutes and then take the bottle out. If the bottle is warm to the touch, then you are good. If it's too hot, then just let it sit for a bit. That's just touching the bottle. To see how warm the milk actually is, you should pour some onto your skin and let your skin to see. So the optimal temperature, it should be 98.6 degrees for the milk. Now once the machine is done, it will beep to indicate that it's finished. This time around, after 3.5 minutes for this 4 ounce, the bottle was actually warm to the touch. The actual temperature came out to be a little bit over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the bottle out for about 30 seconds and it should bring the temperature back down to less than 100 degrees. The next one I'm going to try out is what they call the milk warming, which is much slower than the fast warming. Now what it does is actually it will bring the temperature of the milk more close to the 98.6 degrees than the fast warming. Now however, this will take a lot more time. Again, this test I'm going to use 4 ounce fridge milk, which come out to be almost 50 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the amount of distilled water you need to put in now is 160 ml. Or the easier way to look at it is just fill the water to the max line, and once you put the bottle inside, just turn on the machine and select the second option. Initially, you will see the temperature spike up to 130 degrees in a very short amount of time. But after that, the temperature will slowly drop and eventually will reach down to 98.6 degrees. And that's when the machine will flash and will then try to keep the temperature at that degree. This process will take time. And in my case, it took almost 19 minutes to finish. So even though I waited for 19 minutes, it still come out the temperature to be less than the target, which is the 98.6. If you want it to be a little bit warmer, you have to leave it inside the machine for a longer period of time. Now lastly, after you have done a heating up bottle, feeding your kid, they have an option for you to sterilize the bottle and all the parts. The whole process is very straightforward. You put all the parts inside the machine, you put 40 ml of distilled water inside, and then turn on, select the 4th option to sterilize. It will take 10 minutes to finish the whole process. Now once that's done, you need to take all the parts out to let it dry, because this machine only does sterilizing but does not do any drying.